I'm doing my mini video 7 on DNA fingerprinting. So here are the suspects and the victim for this terrible murder of Ladybug. Suspect 1 is caterpillar, suspect 2 is butterfly, suspect 3 is wasp, and suspect 4 is bee.
Okay, so here's our gel for locus 1. We had 2 blood samples at the crime scene, and there was 1 victim, Ladybug, and then the 4 suspects. So let's see who matches blood 1. So all of these do, and then these 3 all match blood 1. So we have these 3 could be suspects for blood sample 1. Then for blood sample 2, we only see that 1 matches it, so the victim must belong to blood sample 2. For locus 2, here's our blood sample 1, 2. So we can see that once again, blood sample 2 lines up with the victim. So in conclusion, blood sample 2 belongs to the victim. And then for 1, these 3 could match, or these 2, but we need the one that matches with up here as well. So any of these 3, we can cross out 3 because it doesn't match, and 4 doesn't, but 2 does, and it did up here as well. So suspect 2, butterfly, must be the one that blood sample 1 belonged to. We can also see that in these 3 up here, they all have the same alleles, so that makes it harder to determine the suspect. And then here, suspect 1 and 4 both have the same alleles, but suspect 1 we canceled out up here because it didn't match any of the blood samples, so we know they aren't the suspect. And suspect 4 didn't match the gel down here, so we know they can't be the suspect. And for suspect 2 and 1, suspect 2 is the parent of suspect 1 because in each gel they share at least 1 allele. So these 2 share an allele down there, and 1 and 2 they share this one. And so the offspring will share at least 1 allele of the parent, and they get the other allele from the other parent. So the victim, the blood sample 2 belonged to the victim, Ladybug, and blood sample 1 belonged to suspect 2, who's the one that killed the Ladybug.
And then here are my sources. Thank you.